Eto guys, andito kami sa Pinoy Big Brother house. Mamaya na yung kanilang big night. Team Good Vibes goes to Pinoy Big Brother.
Hello.
So manunod kami mamaya ng It's Showtime. Pinoy Big Brother with the Team Good Vibes, of course. So ito, papunta na kami ng It's Showtime. So kakain muna kami before pupunta ng It's Showtime with the Team Good Vibes. Eto guys, punta na kami ng It's Showtime. Hey! Hi guys, nasa Showtime na kayo with Team Good Vibes. Alright.